Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today I'm making my favorite drink, maracuyá. To make the drink, we need a little bit of water, a teaspoon of honey, and frozen maracuyá. Okay, I got the blender, now I'm gonna turn it to high. In the blender, we put in the frozen maracuyá first. Next, you put in the water. You don't want to put in too much or too little, but make sure you eyeball it. And finally, you add honey for sweetness, because maracuyá can be very sour sometimes. Ever since I moved to Panama, I've been drinking so much maracuyá. Back when I lived in the United States, I had no idea what maracuyá was. Nowadays, whenever I go out to a restaurant, I always want to order this drink because it's so good. If you guys are wondering what maracuyá means, it's Spanish for passion fruit. Now I'm gonna blend all the ingredients to make the drink. Alright, time to drink that maracuyá. Alright, I'm gonna get a glass and then pour it in. And of course, I would never forget the straw. Wow, this actually tastes good, but you can taste the sweetness and the sourness. This tastes exactly like it is in the restaurants. ¿Quién ama la maracuyá? Me gusta maracuyá. ¿En serio? Sí, me gusta, me gusta, me gusta. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.